Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Mazda guys, and if you have Mazda such as Mazda 2, 3, 5, 6, Mazda CX-3, CX-5, CX-7 guys, CX-9, and you have airbag light on, we'll explain guys what is the most common reason to have your airbag light on. Okay, that's the most common reason guys. Of course it could be anything else, but we'll discuss now. Probably 7 out of 10 vehicles have that problem when the airbag light is on. So that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So let's go ahead, start on it guys. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll show you what causes the airbag light to be on this Mazda now. So we have the airbag light on here guys, and this is the scanner that we'll be using. This one works actually on any car, not just Mazda. You can find guys the link in the description of the video below. It's an amazing scanner guys, and it can pay itself off in just a couple time using. Instead of going to the dealership, you can fix your car yourself guys. Many things. I'll explain a little bit more about the scanner in just a little bit. You just connect it to your OBD connector. A connection right there. I'm going to go ahead, close the door now. And before we continue, I will start the car and show you how the airbag light stays on. Okay, check it out now. It will turn on, off, and then it will come back on. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, check it out. It just blinks, and then after a while it will just stay on. And we'll explain guys, okay, what is causing that. Check it out. It has different sequence of blinking, so that way you can actually even decode the number of the blinks and all that stuff, but that guys we'll have in another video. I'll go ahead, turn the engine off, turn the ignition on now, okay, like that, and we're ready to start with the computer now. Now this computer guys, as I said, it works on any car, not just Mazda. And you can read and delete codes from every computer module in your car, and it supports so many makes. Okay, check it out. You can guys even work on Lamborghini, Bentleys guys, Bugattis. Okay, you can see it's simply guys, simply amazing. Lexus, Mini, quite a few vehicles guys here. And on the first page, okay, you have most of the American ones will be here as well. Now we'll click guys, VIN number, auto detect. That way we don't even need to manually select, okay, the vehicle. It's going to read the VIN number, it's going to ask us to confirm that, and it will decode it and give us the vehicle that we have. All we have to do, just confirm that this is correct. Okay, perfect. Now after that it may ask you a few questions if you have certain options on your vehicle. BSM is blind spot monitor, we don't have that one, and we don't have advanced keyless entry. This is the smart key, we do not have this one as well. Now it's loading guys, it's taking a little bit of time, and you can see our airbag light, okay, just stays on all the time now after a while. I'll select control unit, and here we're going to select to the airbag computer. We'll go right here, select the airbag computer, and we'll click read codes. Now let me show you guys. Okay, it's establishing communication, it's reading the codes now from the airbag computer, and those are the codes guys. All of them are related to occupant classification system. This is guys the occupant sensor in the passenger seat. When a person sits and it detects how heavy the person is, and it tells the computer, okay, is it safe or it's not safe to turn the airbag on the passenger side. If guys that sensor is bad, okay, you will get quite a few codes. So that is guys the most common reason, okay, why airbag light will be on. It will be because of a bad sensor on the passenger seat, and you can even test that. Usually you can go under live data and you can see if your sensor is working or not. We will have that more on in a video, okay, and you can see right here now it says measured weight negative 128 kilograms, and it says fault. So definitely guys not good. Now we'll have a video how to fix that as well on Mazda. Please guys subscribe to the channel. Just quick video guys to show you what causes that. Thank you for. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.